Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Cozy English Podcast. My name is Avery.
And I'm Melody. We are so happy you are here with us today. How are you, Avery?
I'm doing great, Melody, ready for another good conversation. How about you?
I'm wonderful, thank you. And I think today's topic is very important for all our listeners.
I agree. Today we are talking about motivation. We want to talk about how to keep going when learning English feels difficult. The title of our episode is Don't Give Up on Learning English.
Exactly. Because learning a new language is a long journey, and sometimes on that journey, we can feel a little lost or tired.
That's a perfect way to describe it. So let's talk about it.
Okay, so Avery, have you ever felt like giving up when you were learning something new?
Oh, absolutely. Many times. I think everyone feels this way sometimes. It's a very normal feeling.
It is. When you start learning English, it can feel very exciting. You learn hello, thank you, my name is, and you feel great.
Right. The beginning feels fast. You learn many new things every day.
But after a few months or maybe a year, progress can feel slower.
Much slower. You study grammar, you learn new words, but it feels like you are standing still, not moving forward.
Yes, that feeling is so common. It's called a plateau. It's like you are walking up a mountain and suddenly you're on a flat part. You are still walking, but you aren't going higher.
That's a great way to explain it. And this plateau can be very frustrating. It makes you think, am I doing something wrong? Why am I not improving?
Exactly. And another big problem is fear, the fear of making mistakes.
Oh, that's a big one.
It is. You want to speak, but you are afraid. You think, what if I say the wrong word? What if people laugh at me?
And so you stay quiet. You don't practice speaking. And when you don't practice, you don't improve. It's a difficult cycle.
It really is. So, to our listeners, if you feel this way, please know you are not alone. This is a normal part of learning.
That is the most important message. It is okay to feel this way. But what can we do about it, Melody? How can we find our motivation again?
Well, first, let's talk about the fear of mistakes. I want to tell everyone a secret.
Ooh, a secret.
Yes, native English speakers make mistakes too.
That is so true. We make mistakes all the time. We use the wrong word or we say a sentence that is not grammatically perfect.
Right. So it is okay for you to make mistakes too. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. They are part of learning.
I love that. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every time you make a mistake, you can learn something from it.
hmm When you say something and the other person doesn't understand, that is an opportunity. You can try to say it in a different way. That is great practice.
Yes, and most people are very kind and patient. They will be happy to help you. They will appreciate that you are trying to speak their language.
You know, that reminds me of a time I was learning to play the guitar.
Oh, tell me more.
Okay, so we should not be afraid of mistakes. What about the feeling that progress is too slow? What can we do about that?
I think one of the best things to do is set small goals. Very, very small goals.
Really? Like what?
Sometimes we think, I must become fluent in 1 year. That is a very big goal. It's too big. It can create a lot of pressure.
Ah, that makes sense. So a smaller goal is better.
Yes. How about this for a goal? Today, I will learn 3 new English words.
Just 3? That sounds easy.
Exactly. It is easy. And when you do it, you feel successful. You achieved your goal for the day. That feeling of success gives you motivation for tomorrow.
I love that idea. So, a small goal could be learning a few new words, or maybe today I will listen to one English song.
Perfect. Or I will write 1 sentence in my journal in English. Small, achievable goals are the key. They're like small steps that help you climb the big mountain.
And after a week, you have learned 21 new words. After a month, you have learned almost 100 new words. That is not slow progress. That is amazing progress.
That's it. You have to see the small victories. Celebrate them. Be proud of yourself for every small step you take.
Okay, so be brave about mistakes and set small goals. What else can help, Avery?
I think it is so important to make learning fun. If learning feels like hard work all the time, you will want to stop.
You need to enjoy the process.
Yes, find things you love to do and do them in English. Do you like movies?
Of course, I love movies.
Just watch your favorite movie in English, maybe with subtitles in your own language at first. Then next time, try it with English subtitles.
That's a great tip. You already know the story, so you can focus on the language. It's less stressful.
Exactly. Or what about music? Listening to English songs is a fantastic way to learn. You can look up the lyrics, the words of the song, and sing along.
And you learn new vocabulary and hear the natural rhythm of the language. What about video games?
Yes, if you like video games, try playing one in English. Or if you like cooking, find a recipe in English and try to make it.
The point is to connect English to your life and your hobbies. When you do that, it doesn't feel like studying. It just feels like fun.
That's right. You learn best when you are relaxed and happy.
And you know, Avery, another important thing is to remember why you started.
Ah, yes, your big motivation, your why.
Yes, why are you learning English? Maybe you want to travel, or get a better job, or maybe you want to understand your favorite songs and movies.
Or talk to new friends from other countries.
Whatever your reason is, keep it in your mind. Write it down on a piece of paper and put it on your wall.
That's a great idea. So on difficult days, you can look at that paper and remember your dream. It can give you the energy to keep going.
Yes, your why is your power source.
Oh, Melody, I think now would be a good time for us to say some positive phrases for our listeners. These are phrases they can say to themselves when they feel discouraged.
I love this idea. Let's do it. We will say each phrase and then we will pause so you, our listeners, can repeat it.
Okay, are you ready? The first one is keep going.
Great. Now the second one. You are doing great.
Wonderful. And the last one, the name of our episode, don't give up.
It's so important to be kind to yourself. Learning a language is not easy. You are doing something amazing.
You really are. Don't compare yourself to other people. Your journey is your journey. Just focus on your own small steps every single day.
And remember to rest. If you feel tired, it's okay to take a break for a day or two. Your brain needs time to relax.
That's a very good point, Melody. Rest is not quitting. Rest is part of the process. It helps you come back stronger.
So, to recap our main ideas for staying motivated,
First, don't be afraid of making mistakes. They help you learn.
second, set small, easy goals every day and celebrate when you achieve them.
Third, make learning fun. Connect English to your hobbies and things you love.
And fourth, always remember your why. Remember the reason you started this journey.
I think those are wonderful tips, and we hope they are helpful for all of you listening. Every one of you is capable of reaching your English goals.
You just have to be patient and kind to yourself.
Well, Melody, our time is almost finished for today.
It went by so fast. The main message we want to leave with our listeners is simple. What you are doing is amazing. Learning a new language is a superpower.
It really is. So please be proud of your progress, no matter how small it feels. Keep going.
And we would love to hear from you. In the comments section, please tell us, why are you learning English? What is your motivation?
Yes, please share your reasons with us in the community. Reading other people's stories can be very inspiring.
Thank you all so much for listening to the Cozy English podcast.
Until next time, take care, be kind to yourselves, and don't give up.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.